Hi everyone, today's video will show you how to insert text box in Google Docs. Open up your Google Docs document in your web browser. Now to insert a text box in this document, you click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. You select Drawing and you click New. The drawing interface will open up. You select the text box icon at the top here. Now, you move and drag your mouse to select or to draw the shape you want your text box to be. Then you can input or write what you want to appear in the text box. You can choose to customize the border of the text box. You can choose to add colors to it. You can choose to give the border a color. You can choose to increase the border width, and you can also choose a border style you want. Once you're done with the customization, you click Save and Close. Then your text box will appear in your documents, as you can see on the screen. So that is how you can easily insert text box in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more of this. Bye guys, see you in the next video.